Welcome back. Now we'll talk about how to create hard link. So in the previous session we discussed about the soft link. Now I'm going to use the same path. So go to the CD dir1. Right now I'm inside the present working directory root home directory. So here we created this directory paths. So I'll go to the directory 1 and directory 2 and directory 3 and directory 4. So in this location I want to create a file here. So which means this data I want to access it from the root local home directory. So here I'm going to create a file called a touch hard file. This is the name I'm giving to this file, and I'll write inside this file with cat command with the greater than symbol. So as of now this is a new file, so that's why I'm using single greater than symbol. So this is hard file. Then enter, then Control C to come out and open this file, cat hard file. We can able to see the data inside this file. So now I want this file should be able to access from my root local home directory. So I'll go there, and here you see I can see only the directory 1. Apart from that I don't see any files. So here I want to create a hard link. So now I use ln command. I'm not using -s, and then I need to provide the complete path of this file. So I'm going to use /root /dir1 and dir2 and dir3, dir4. So this way I'm going to give the file name, and the destination file name. If you don't give any file, automatically it will take the file name and it will give the same whatever the source file name is there. It will give the same name to the destination file also. Or else if you want to give any name, you can give the name, but always make sure that whatever the name you are giving, that file should not be existed in that current working directory. If the file is available, then it is not going to create the hard link, whether it's for soft link or hard link. For any link, whatever the destination you are giving, the destination file should not be there. So before this, what I'll do, I'll just cancel this. In the local, I'll create a file called touch hard link underscore file. So this is the name I'm creating. I'll clear the screen. So here if you see, this is the name I created. Now I want to create a hard link to this one. Whether it's a soft link or hard link, both will not work if the file is already available. So ln-s /root directory and the file destination, source file, and then this is a destination file. To this file I want to create a soft link. Okay, so if you see here, it throws an error because file exists. The same I'm going to use for hard link also. I remove -s, then it will become hard link. So file exists. So you cannot create a link to the existing file. So file should be a new. Okay. So what are the name you are going to give? With that name, the file will get created. If already there is a file with the name which you are providing, then it is not going to accept. So now what I'm going to do, I will remove that file, rm hard link file. Okay. So now there is no file. Then again I'm going to execute the command. Okay, so this command I'm going to execute. Right now I don't see this file under the current working directory, which is root home directory. So now this file will get created and it is going to create a link between this source and this destination. Now hit enter. Now what I can see, the file will get created, but here in the hard link you cannot able to see the link like how we used to see in the soft link. That way you cannot able to see the pointing to the source. You cannot able to see that. And cat hard link, if you see, this is the information you can able to see because this was updated previously in the source. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to update it. Now I'm going to use double greater than symbol and give the file name. Right now I'm inside the root local home directory. Okay, I am accessing this link file. So cat, this is hard link testing, and Control C. And now if you see cat hard link, then this is about what we updated. So the same, if you go to the source, you can able to find it, root dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4, and here if you see cat hard file. So same update you can able to see, and whatever the update we do here, again it will get updated over there. Cat double greater than symbol hard file, and testing from source, and then again I'll use Control C, and then I'll go, before that I'll check in the source it is available, data is available, and same thing I can see cat hard link underscore file here also available. So right now I'm inside the root. So both sides it is available. So what is the difference here compared to soft link and hard link? If the file get deleted at the source, then the destination file, this linked file will not get affected. This will not get deleted. So that is the advantage in the hard link compared to soft link. So I'll go here cd root dir, dir2, dir3, dir4, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this one, hard file, done, no file. But if I go local, present working directory here under the root, still I can see this file and I can able to see the data. So it's like a backup. Even though your source is deleted, still I can able to see this data. So in case if you don't want the data, it's not necessary. If the source is deleted, then if you are not expecting backup data, then you can use soft link. But if you are expecting data, then as a backup, then you should go with the hard link. So this way you can able to create links between files and directories also, as I shown you in the soft link, like you can create this link to the directory also. Same way you can able to use in the hard link also. Okay, so this is about the soft and hard link. Bye for now.